Alright guys, so I guess I did not press the record button, but luckily I caught it before I got too far. So basically what I did was wet her hair down. I combed out any knots and tangles. I put in our hair milk that we've been using for a while. About 2 weeks actually. And then I split the hair in half directly down the middle. I lined it up with the tip of her nose all the way to the back here, and I clipped up this side because we will be working with this side. So now what I'm going to do is be making some more parts in this section, and I'm just going to be making them coming from the ear and going up to the middle part that I made. Okay, so here is my first part. I'm going to get a little bit of my flaxseed gel and put that all over this section in her hair. And then I'm going to put in my ponytail. Right, kind of more toward the top, but close to the middle. Gonna make our next section here coming from the ear, and I'm kind of keeping it pointed at the end, like down here. So I'm making points to start, and then it gets wider as you go toward the center. Okay, so we just got our parts here. I made 5 parts. I kind of kept it with a point down here, all diagonal and stuff coming from the ear. So now all you have to do, put your head up a little, is braid these parts of hair. So I'm going to be braiding them . And once I get to the next ponytail, I'm just going to add that hair into my braid. So now I'm right here. I have my 3 pieces from my first braid. I'm going to separate this one into 3 pieces. And continue braiding. And then you just do that all the way down. And there you go. You just braid and keep braiding all the way until you get to the bottom. Just when you get to the next ponytail, combine that hair with their 3 parts of the braid and continue it all the way down and put in your rubber band. I'm going to do the other side and then put in some hair jewels and show you guys what it looks like at the end. Alright, so this is the final look here. So we just had our parts, we braided them all together and put in these little hair jewels over the spots where the ponytails are, so you can't really see them. And that's it. It's very simple and super cute. And it only took, I'd say this would take about 15 minutes maybe. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more hair tutorials, and make sure you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. That really helps us out, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.